Let's go through these really quick. Okay, so our order was for 0.6 grams, right? And available was 600 milligrams. They lucked out on their problem. Because if we just move the decimal place 3 places right, we know that 600 milligrams is our actual order. And what's available is 600 milligrams, so we're going to give 1 tab. So, lucky day for them. Synthroid, 0.025 milligrams daily. Available is 50 micrograms, or 0.05 milligrams. So, this works because on the label, it had that little parentheses of 0.05 milligrams. So they knew that they didn't have to do any conversions because ultimately they still have the same units, correct? So that's why 0.025 milligrams is divided by 0.05 milligrams is 1 times 1 tab. Good job, half a tab. Other way to look at that would be, if I didn't have that 0.05 milligrams, I can move my decimal place which way on this milligrams to convert it to micrograms?
Right.
To the right.
Right.
Larger to smaller, so that would be 0.025, move 3 to the right would be 25 micrograms divided by 50 micrograms will still give me the half tab. So good job. Okay, making sure that I'm tracking right here. I need a cameraman. Where's Lawrence when you need him? Okay, here's our order. Relfen, 1 gram PO daily, available is 500 milligrams. So they did dimensional analysis to show that 1 gram over 1,000 over 1 gram gets 1,000 milligrams. Good job. They separated that up, so now we have milligrams and tabs of 1,000 milligrams, 500 milligrams tab. Good. 2 tabs. Perfect. Okay. 125 micrograms PO daily. And it's available 50 micrograms.
Yeah.
Somebody didn't write all their stuff up there. So 50 micrograms over 1 ml, over X mLs over 125 micrograms. Okay, so they luckily got out with the right answer, okay? Because they did, we talked about this before I turned the recording back on. Because they had, but it makes sense why they had 50 over 125. Because if you're going to use this method, you got to make sure that if you have micrograms per ml on this side, that you have micrograms per ml on this side. Okay? So the right way to set that up would be 125 micrograms for X mLs. Now when you do your cross multiply and divide, then you'll come up with the 125 divided by 50 to get 2.5 mLs. Okay. All right? So, all right. Cameraman. Maybe I'll move it. There we go. Don't talk too loud, April. Just kidding. Okay. Order 7.5 milligrams daily at bedtime. The medication is Sorry, my doctor's handwriting here. Coumadin. Okay? What's Coumadin? It's a blood thinner. Okay, so let's talk about this. 7.5 milligrams daily at bedtime. Available is 2.5 milligram tablets or 5.0 milligram tablets. So there's 3 ways that we could do this, and they put all 3 ways up there. We have 7.5 times 1 divided by 2.5 to give me 3 tabs for 1 way to do it. That's the 2, just using all 2.5 milligram tablets. Then I have 7.5 times 1 divided by 5 to give me 1.5 tabs. We're using just the 5 milligrams, or the combination of 1 2.5 milligram tab and 1 5.0 milligram tab. So we know that 3 tabs automatically is out. We're not going to use that. So it uses these 2. Okay?
And they're scored.
Or does it say they're scored on there?
Yes.
Okay. So commonly, Coumadin is a blood thinner and can cause a lot of bad effects if taken too many, or if it's not accurately dosed or not used the same every time. And that even includes splitting it. If I split it in a cattywampus way so I get a little extra part of the other half, You like cattywampus? Any cattywampus way, then I might get a little extra dose, okay? So Coumadin is one of the ones that is preferred, that a lot of times they'll give it to you in both. They'll give you a 2.5 milligram tablet and a 5.0 milligram tablet, and they'll want you to take these 2 tabs because they're exact. There's no splitting, there's no dust that's going to be missing, it's all there, easy dose. They do actually make a 7.5 milligram tablet, so for most medications, this would probably be the best because it's the least, right? But for Coumadin specifically, this is the best. And I see one more problem up here that could cause a med error. If I gave 50 milligrams,
Right.
goodness gracious, half credit right there.
Yeah, that was mean.
Okay. Next.
And I erased it on one of them. Oh, the middle one I took out.
Orders 100 milligrams, available is 125 per 5 mLs. So 100 milligrams times 5 divided by 125 is a dimensional analysis, 4 mLs. Happy day. Happy day. Okay. Two left. Amoxil 400. Oh, this is augmentin because it's got a combo. So 450 with 57 milligrams. Okay. Tablets are 200 milligrams to 28.5 milligrams. Okay. Something that you have to make sure you understand with this, and they figured it out very quickly and got the right answer of 2 tabs. But this is not a that's not a ratio. That is not a conversion factor. All that is telling me that I have 2 medications in 1 pill. So per pill, I have 200 milligrams of Amoxil and 28.5 milligrams of clavonate, okay, which is augmentin. I'm pretty sure. I can't remember which. I know it's Amoxil something. So you might see on your homework.
You were right.
Is it clavonate? Mm-hmm. So that's augmentin. So you might see something on your homework where I'll give you something like this. It has a combination, and then I'll say, how many clavonate are they getting if they get this many tabs? And so then you'll have to figure out the specifics of what's in the pill. Okay? But for this case, we know that we have 200 milligrams and 28.5 milligrams of each in the pill. We have, that's our dose. So we can do it off of either or, considering that they're both factors.
Will that information be given?
Yes. I'm not that mean.
I just like to look Google.
Goodness. You guys, you don't have to read minds. Even though women expect men to read minds. Just saying. Just saying.
Just saying.
Okay.
You should know.
So good job. Good job. Yeah. Oh yeah, we should know.
You should know.
We should know, right? But then when you try to do something right and you come in with roses, everything can't be solved with roses, okay? But that's what you thought. I thought you wanted. Well, you thought was wrong.
I'll take the roses. I'll take the roses.
Just messing. It's never happened in my house. I'm just being funny. Okay. Depakote ER 1 gram PO daily, available 500 milligram tabs. They went ahead and did dimensional analysis for the whole thing instead of doing 2 separate steps, which is what I like to do. So 1 gram times 1,000 times 1 divided by 1 divided by 500 gets us 2 tabs. So good job. Any questions on any of these questions on the board?
Sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Well, you guys are free to go. Have a good day.